process really is a serious source of concern. And I think now it has been shown, whereas governments before have shown some restraint and awarded senior counsel to very deserving people. I think in this last batch, it is clear that it's going to take a political slant. That is not good for the profession. It's not good for a society that looks up to the legal profession and looks up to the inner bar. And I really think, especially where you have the Attorney General coming out and saying that he consulted with the Law Association, and you had, again, the Law Association, well, the Law Association having to correct the record and show that he's misrepresenting things to the society. That can't be right. And I think that the Attorney General ought to now sit with the Law Association, all the powers that be, and maybe come up with some method for appointing senior counsel that is more transparent, that involves wider consultation, and that is fairer to the legal profession and the society generally. Do we have Ms. Lutchmedial on? Yes, Senator, are you there?
Are you hearing me?
Hi, Senator. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Let me just get them to raise the volume in studio a little bit.
Sure.
Right, Senator, let me hear you.
Right. Hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you now. Good.
Okay, great.
Good. So, Ravi Balgo bin Maraj versus the state, local government, big judgment in the Privy Council. I know that you were intimately involved in preparing the case, I assume drafting the case, submissions, that kind of thing. A lot of discussion. Well, first of all, the Attorney General has threatened contempt against anybody who discusses the judgment. So I'm risking contempt, but so be it. So be it. Tell us from the start. What were the main arguments in this case? Why was this matter filed in court? What was the concern of the litigant, your client? And I assume you as a lawyer interested in the rule of law as well. What was the concern that led to the filing of this claim, and what were the grounds of the case being filed?
All right, so I think you only threaten with contempt if you say that the government lose. So we're both in contempt because I'm saying, Frank, today they lost. Right? The grounds of the challenge were twofold. The first thing was, as you know, there's a general principle in law that you cannot have retroactive or what we say retrospective legislation because it affects either rights that were vested in the past, it may affect a decision that was made in the past, etc. In this case, what we were saying is that when people voted in 2019, I went to the poll station, I dipped my finger, I said 3 years for this person. You cannot come in 2022 and tell me that you've now changed the 3 years to the 4 years. Yeah. So I'm trying to break it down as simple as